Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of sharing a thread via WhatsApp in X. If you want to share a conversation or a thread from X with your contacts on WhatsApp, we'll show you how to do it step by step. Let's dive right into this comprehensive guide. Step 1. Open X on your device. Step 2. Navigate to the specific thread or conversation that you want to share. Step 3. Tap on the share icon, usually represented by an arrow pointing upwards. Step 4. From the bottom slider, tap on WhatsApp. X will now open WhatsApp, allowing you to select the contacts or groups you want to share the thread with. By following these simple steps, you can easily share a thread via WhatsApp in X, making it convenient to engage, discuss, and share valuable conversations with your WhatsApp contacts. Sharing threads on WhatsApp provides a direct and instant way to connect and communicate with your contacts, ensuring that important conversations can be easily shared and discussed. Thank you for watching our full guide on how to share a thread via WhatsApp in X. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides.